You want to finally come up with that idea for your video, write that script, or maybe study for your test. But you just don't find the right vibe, hype, and energy or motivation to do it. You just feel like right now it's not the right time. And if you go and do it right now, you won't produce such high quality work. But don't worry, brother, by the end of this video, you will laugh at your ex-self forever struggling with this. Because I will teach you the world's easiest fucking way to get yourself to do anything that you need to do. And it's fucking simple. You just lock yourself in a room with that specific reason, being getting that idea, finishing that script work, or just studying. But now stay with me on this one. Now that you know what you want to do, you just lock yourself in a room without really anything that you could use as a distraction. No phone where you could do doom scrolling, no photo albums where you could just randomly decide to not do your work but go like, look at pictures, but it's just you and the worksheets or the notebook that you need to get the work done. And now here's the catch. You tell yourself you don't need to do any of that work or studying, not even a single minute, but you're not allowed to do anything else for those 90 minutes that you're locked in that room. And then your brain gets to decide. Feel free to either sit in a room, look at the ceiling for 90 minutes and be bored as fuck, or get to work and get it done. And since your body dopamine will drop when you get bored, doing that work that you didn't feel like doing before will actually become easy and fun to do, and thus you will actually do it high quality. Because think about it, it makes sense that when something is fun for you to do and it's actually interesting, you will do it better, because either be bored or do this interesting thing, aka the only thing that you can do, and that is work. So to wrap it up, tell yourself, I'm gonna lock myself in that room for 90 minutes with a reason to do, for example, script writing. However, I don't need to do it, but I'm not allowed to do anything else. And then watch yourself get that work done. Lightweight! Now that you know how to get shit done, you really need to take that next step to really achieve your full potential and finally make a lot of progress with your work. And I explained just that in this video above. And if you want some more free value, feel free to click the top link in the description and join my email list, and I'll send you some right away. And where's the pain, motherfucker?